want to just, ma'am, can you just scroll down once?
Scroll down.
Yes.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, I would.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the 16th one, the line UV line AB.
Did you read the question, Alarika?
Huh?
Did you read the question?
Yes.
What does the question say?
Is perpendicular to
What
the
is the
line
meaning of perpendicular?
I think it's a curved line.
See, Alarika, if you will not revise what we are doing in the class, I said in the last class, this topic is difficult. Perpendicular means when two lines intersect exactly at 90 degrees.
Yes.
Okay, so do you see any specific line that is, I mean, XY? Look at XY. Which of the line is making exact L with XY?
This one.
PQ is far away. UV is far away from XY. MN is, I mean, there is only one line out
this
of
one. And CD.
CD and AB are the two lines. So out of these two, which one is intersecting at, look at the angles. Who has drawn this thing here?
Me only.
Look, is it looking like L to you?
Yes.
Shall I draw an L and show you? Wait.
Yes.
How will one L look like?
Ma'am, it is actually a little bit slanting line.
It is acute in that.
It
is acute. So how can I check? The way to check is look on this angle and look on this angle. So you will find that this one is right angle, whereas this one is acute angle.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So divide it. I mean, when both two lines are intersecting. Check.
Okay, ma'am, because I thought that this is geometry, so there is no division and multiplication. That's why I didn't.
But geometry and time are the two topics. Last year, when I was taking batches for grade 3, 4, and 5, I was keeping all the difficult topics on top. I was doing them before. But this time, last time when I was taking batches, it was in the later part of the year. But this time, why are we starting from the beginning? Because children, they have not done that part in school. So geometry and time are the two major topics which are difficult, and you get a lot of questions from these two topics in the beginning.
I had done geometry in class 1 in class 2.
But Kian, that was a very chota bacha wali geometry. Now geometry is very difficult.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can you please explain intersecting lines and perpendicular lines? What is the major difference between them?
Sure. Pranavi, when the lines, they intersect exactly at 90 degree, then we call those intersecting lines perpendicular lines. If they are intersecting at any other angle other than 90 degree, they are called intersecting lines. That is the major difference. We call it perpendicular only if it is 90, otherwise any other angle, we call it intersecting.
Mama didn't understand the 16th one. And like perpendicular lines are just like L.
16th one. Okay, Kian, in 16th one.
16th one CD.
Yes, 16th one CD. I just now explained that, Kian.
I didn't understand.
Bacha, perpendicular ka matlab hai exact L. If you will look at this, sorry, the straight line bana di maine. If you look at this one and if you look at this one, then first one is exact L. See, it is like this. I will draw it on a separate side. Then you will be able to understand it. The first one is looking like exact L. Whereas the second one is
CD.
Yes, answer is CD. Correct. Because this one is giving you L. Whereas
I understood.
Understood. Okay. Chalo, I have to teach you so many things. These exercises have nothing. I mean, in relation to that, there is so much in the reading material to catch hold of.
Yes, so, there are 15 pages of reading materials.
So now,
5.
if you remember, I taught you 5 kinds of angles last time. One is the zero angle, when both the arms of the angle, they lie on each other. When they open, they start making acute, 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 acute. Till the time it is less than 90 degree, it is acute. Once it touches 90 degree, it is right angle. So from 0, we are doing acute, 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 and we are going to 90. From 0, more than 0, less than 90 gives you acute. Now more than 90, but less than 180 gives you obtuse. It is going more than 90, more than 90, more than 90, more than 90, less than 180, and now it touches 180. But the moment it touches 180, it becomes a straight angle.
Straight angle.
So 0, acute, 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 this becomes right. The moment it is L, it becomes right. The moment it is more than L and less than the straight line, it is obtuse. So we have done 5 types of angles. Right? I have yet to do 2 more types of angles with you, which is extra thing I will be teaching you.
Ma'am, I think we done 4 types of angles.
Acha, 0 also, Pranavati. When the rays are on each
Okay,
other.
0 is also counting.
Yes, 0 is one of the angles. We call it 0 angle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that is not given in this thing. Before I do the 2 other angles with you, because that will be more tough, I think I can leave it for the next class. More zyada tough ho jayega. First, let us do some simple things. I want to give you more knowledge about the figures, the kind of questions you will face, because that is extra knowledge. Grade 4 children face those reflex angle questions. But still, I'll tell you people. Open figures and closed figures. Now, if the figure is closed, whether it is using a straight line or it is using a curved line, it is complete. But the figure, if it is open from any end, then we call it an open figure. And in mathematics, all the figures that we talk about are closed figures, because we can figure out the shape only if the figure is closed. Till the time it is open, we will not be able to figure out the exact shape. So, Alarika, do you really need a break? We think, because till 7:40 you were asking, I mean, we were only discussing doubts. I have only 40 minutes.
No.
Room, if anyone wants to go, can go. No problem. Washroom break you people can take. But otherwise, I need time, because I've just started. Okay. Anyone wants to drink water can drink water, wants to drink milk, wants to eat something can do it in the class, because I am speaking and you are listening. You are not doing any written work here. So you can carry it on with the class, no problem. Now, a polygon is a 2-dimensional. Why 2 dimensions? Because it has either length or breadth. It is not a 3D shape. So a polygon is possible with minimum 3 line segments. Line segment because it has a fixed length, and minimum 3 because with a single curved line we can make circle. But if I use 2 line segments, the figure will remain open only. And open figures will not be termed as geometrical figures. Till the time it is not closed, the figures are not complete. So I need minimum 3 lines to complete the 3 line segments to complete the figure. And that gives me triangle. So a polygon is possible with minimum 3 line segments or more than 3. More than 3 we can go, to different shapes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
I'm saying, Mukund, that I need minimum 3 lines, to make a triangle. Can you make any shape only with 2 lines?
No, ma'am.
So that is what? What is a polygon? A polygon is a closed figure that is formed by 3 or more line segments. Why 3? Because 3 will give me a triangle. And then more than 3 give me different shapes.
There is 3 is the minimum number of
line segments. Yes, 3 is minimum sides. Can you make any shape with 2 figures?
No, ma'am.
With 1 straight line? No, no. With 3 straight lines you can make. You can make circle with one curved line. That is possible. But that is a curved line.
Ma'am, what is a quadrilateral?
I'm going on to that. Yeah, you'll have to wait. Yes, Ribanta, what is it?
Ma'am, so like like ma'am, can it play like a square or rectangle?
Yes, I'm going on to that. Let me teach. You'll get to know.
No, can
Going to that. Triangle is the shape which has 3 sides. Quadrilateral is the shape that has 4 sides.
Ma'am, it looks like a square.
Yeah, any shape that has 4 straight lines, the figure should be closed and it should be made up of 4 line segments. It could be square, it could be rectangle, it could be kite, it could be rhombus, it could be diamond. I think I'm covering all. It could be parallelogram, it could be trapezium.
Ma'am, there's no shape as diamond. Diamond is square.
Yeah, but you must have heard about these different shapes.
Yes, ma'am. Diamond
I know. Bacha, actually, Kian, properties differ in all the shapes. That
Yes,
is
ma'am. The
given
diamond is
different shapes.
tilted. Diamond is
So diamond is there, kite is there, rhombus is there, square is there, rectangle is there, trapezium is there, parallelogram. All these shapes that I'm talking about, they have 4 sides. And
this is a diamond.
don't make those shapes. Just listen to me. We don't have time to waste at all in geometry, please. Quadrilateral is a term that is derived from a word quad, Q-U-A-D. Quad means 4. So any shape with 4 sides and it should be closed is named as quadrilateral. I've told you all the types of quadrilaterals that are possible. Now, when we go on to 5 shapes, it becomes pentagon. Okay, and children, these shapes can be regular also, irregular also. What is the difference between regular and irregular? Regular shapes are those in which all the sides are equal. But irregular shapes are those in which all the sides are not equal. Okay.
An example is a rectangle.
Like square has all the 4 equal sides. So it becomes a
Ma'am, a
pentagon
pentagon does not have all sides equal.
No, Mukund, that is possible. That is possible because pentagon has one line of symmetry. Vertically, we can divide it into 2 equal parts. Okay. When I come to hexagon, hexagon is a shape which has 6 sides. Heptagon is a shape which has 7 sides. One second, let me stop this annotation from my end only.
Ma'am, actually quadrilateral is it is like square.
But it is not specifically like square. Pranavi, any shape which is a closed figure and has 4 sides, in this it is looking like a square, but quadrilaterals are of different types. Square, rectangle, kite, rhombus, diamond, parallelogram, trapezium, any shape which is a closed figure and has only 4 sides is a quadrilateral. When you will go to grade 4, you will study about all the quadrilaterals and what are their properties. How do they differ? Even if they look like same, what is the difference between them? Why do we say that square and rhombus are different? Their properties differ. Okay. So 3 sides triangle, 4 sides quadrilateral, 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides heptagon. There is another name for heptagon, that is septagon. In place of H, we can also write S. So heptagon
is almost like star.
Septagon means 7 sides.
Yes, ma'am, but it's almost like Hindi. How I say in Hindi, 7, like star.
Yes, yes. Octagon has 8 sides. Nonagon has 9 sides and decagon has 10 sides.
Ma'am, what is the total number? Is it 10 or are there more shapes with more than 10 And
There could be,
there could be 12 also.
yes, there could be more sides.
Ma'am,
Decagon
But
and
ma'am, how does the
decagon
nine-
and dodecagon.
and how does the 9-1 looks? Because I can see that 9-1 has only 8 sides.
Okay, 9-1 is or has only 8 sides. I'll show you 9-1. Wait.
I didn't know. I don't know that how the 9-1 looks because I'm studying a way 9-10 shapes usually.
See, this is nonagon. See, it has 9 sides. Wait, I'll open up a simple image for you. I think this one is more, no, this one is more simple to understand. See, count, does it has 9 sides? Because all these shapes, they have lines of symmetries.
Yes, ma'am, 10.
9.
I mean 9.
Yes,
Nine.
ma'am, 9.
9? Okay. Maybe by that is the printing thing in that. I also never noticed it that it has 8 only. Thank you, Dharya. I'll get this corrected. I'll
Yes,
repeat.
ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So these are the closed figures. Now let's talk about something. You all know what are vertices and what are sides?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. We learned this in grade right now. We've learned this in this term 1.
Okay, so because a triangle has 3 sides, if you look here, it has 3 corners also. Corners and vertices is one and the same thing. So triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. A quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 corners. Number of sides is equal to number of corners actually. So pentagon has 5 sides, 5 corners.
So quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 corners. All the quadrilaterals. Hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Heptagon 7 sides, 7 corners. Octagon 8 sides, 8 corners. Nonagon 9 sides, 9 corners. And decagon 10 sides, 10 corners. Now,
Ma'am, I have one question.
yes, Kian.
Is there a shape which has not the equal amount of corners and sides?
There could be possibly Kian, but I'm not aware of any such shape at this point of time. It is mathematics, anything and everything is possible here. But I am not, I didn't come up.
And maybe it will be using curved lines, not exact straight lines. It can
I'm
maybe
saying
like
it is mathematics. Anything
Types of
and everything is
triangles.
possible.